How to make $100 a day as a freelancer. We've all been there, doing a job we don't even like, perhaps even hate. Some even find that they have to work more than one job just to make ends meet. Luckily, with technology as it is today, there is the opportunity to work online and make proper money. Serious cash that is enough to live on. If you put the effort in, you can really make $100 a day. Even for busy mamas, like me who only have time to work while the kids are at school, there are plenty of part-time gigs you can do as and when it suits, leaving you loads of time to spend with the family or on doing what you really love. The even better news is that tasks you can do online are often enjoyable. It doesn't even feel like hard work, or in some cases, like you're even working at all. So, in this video we will discuss how to make $100 a day as a freelancer. However, before we start our countdown, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelance writing. Working as a freelance writer is one of the best methods for those wondering how to make $100 a day online for free, as it requires no investment. Assuming you can string a decent sentence together. When I was starting out with this whole making money online thing, freelance writing was my go-to. I used Upwork to register, and this blog here as a portfolio. I had steady work, paying around $50 per article, up to 500 words, and was always paid on time. I could easily complete 3 or 4 articles per day, so making even more than $100 per day is completely possible once you get some good reviews under your belt. Experienced writers can turn out between 500 and 1,000 words per hour, meaning the rates of pay improve as you go on. Freelancing is a great way to get a foothold in the online world. You'll learn about the sort of services business owners want, and get to hone your writing or tech skills at the same time. I recommend freelancing alongside building up your own site as the ideal combination. Number 2. Become a social media manager. If your skills are more photographic or design-led than wordy, why not get paid to post on social media on behalf of local businesses? We all know someone who has no clue about how social media works. Or have you ever looked for a local company online, only to find that they have zero social media presence? People like this will pay a more tech-savvy person, that's you, to sort all that out for them. Grab a decent camera phone and set up a Canva account, and you can offer to take away those headaches they get just from thinking about social media management. Number 3. Work as a VA. Working as a VA, virtual assistant, is another great way to make $100 a day online, free from big startup costs. So how do these people with established blogs or businesses get everything done? Outsourcing, that's how. Bloggers and business owners will pay you to work from home as a virtual assistant. From basic admin duties to posting on Pinterest, plenty of people need a helping hand. But they may not have any office space, or the budget to employ someone full-time. This is where you step into the breach, and may even make $100 a day online in the process. Ina Hawkey has written an excellent book called Make Money as a Virtual Assistant, for people interested in finding out more about how life as a VA might suit them. Whilst I do believe in taking more advanced training to hone the skills required to become a successful virtual assistant, this Kindle book is a great start. Number 4. Sell a digital product. The vast majority of online training courses that teach people how to make money online are sold as digital subscriptions or downloads. When selling a digital product, your customer places the order, then the digital content is accessed via their smartphone, tablet, or PC. A digital product could be an e-book or shorter leaflet that acts as a guide on how to do something. It may be a tutorial, meal plan or money management template, an exercise routine, or even a checklist. E-books can be sold via Amazon and promoted on social media. They can also be featured on blogs or websites. Once established, this is a pretty effortless way to make a decent income. Designing t-shirts to be sold via Amazon Merch is another top way to make some bucks. All you need to do is to create a design, as Amazon will supply the rest. They will print and dispatch as orders come in, so again you don't need any space for storing, or even printing, stock. Another exciting way to earn $100 a day online is to sell digital downloads via Etsy. Trina does exactly that and wrote about how she makes money on Etsy on the blog. Number 5. Become a video editor. If you want to make money editing videos, there are plenty of opportunities available. Whether it be working with companies to develop a perfect promotional video for their products, or athletes looking to highlight their skills to prospective universities, the opportunities are endless. With that in mind, in order to maximize the amount of income from your video editing business, you should explore several different income avenues. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.